Okay, the purpose of this video is to show that water can boil at room temperature. You see the vacuum gauge, it's down to -30. I've already got a vacuum of -30, but you can see the boiling action in the jar. I just use an applesauce jar so that it would be inexpensive. I also want to show you how I got this vacuum, so I'm going to take the camera and show you that the water, the vacuum's all coming off this apparatus I have in the sink here, and it's just something that I got from Fisher Scientific. You see there's the little valve. I just attach it to my kitchen sink. The water's just running down the drain, and there's the applesauce jar with the vacuum gauge. I think that's a pretty good shot. You can see it's already -30. It's upside down, but there's the boiling action in the water. Just use the jar. You can see my lid, my tube attached to it. And I was curious to see if the water came from the bottom of the jar or if it came from just within the water, and it seems like it just comes from everywhere. It doesn't just come from the bottom. The bubbles can appear at the surface anywhere they want, not just from the bottom. So you actually see there's not much coming from the bottom, but yet there's a lot of action just sort of at the surface there. Some of it comes from the bottom, but a lot of bubbles seem to form right at the surface. Anyway, so that is boiling water at sea level, and just to prove that it's not too hot to touch, there's my hand on the jar, and that's that experiment. Okay, that's one thing confirmed.